Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your My TV and phone or PC are on the same Wi-Fi network. This is essential because casting uses local discovery. Once done, check for firmware or app updates on both devices to avoid compatibility issues. Make sure the TV is on and awake, and that Bluetooth is enabled if the TV uses it for initial pairing. Now open the casting menu on your phone. You will now initiate the cast. Open Quick Settings on Android and tap Cast, or open Chrome on PC and choose Cast from the menu. Grant any permission prompts for local network access. This lets devices see each other. When your My TV appears in the list, select it. If the TV shows a PIN, enter or confirm it on your phone or PC. Once connected, you'll see your screen mirrored. Make sure to change streaming quality if lag appears. To finish, stop casting from your phone or PC so the My TV returns to normal operation. This prevents background resource use. If you encounter lag or stutter, try switching bands between 4 and 5 GHz, lower the resolution, or connect the TV to Ethernet for stability. If the TV doesn't appear, restart the router, My TV, and your device. This clears cached network states. Finally, make sure no VPNs or firewalls block local discovery before trying again.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.